you play games without me? What did you play? Did you think